Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to highlight the dates, weekends or weekdays in Excel sheet. So let's start the tutorial. So notice here we got the days are highlighted, which are the Saturdays and Sundays. If you want, you can change the fore and background color also. Those days are highlighted, not the weekends. See? If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this example, I am creating one new blank workbook. So I am selecting one blank workbook, and here we got the blank book one Excel sheet. First, what I'm doing, I'm adding some dates here. I'm adding July month 01 July 2022. So now let's drag up to some dates. So here I got some dates here. Let's put this in the center. Now, before formatting the dates, to find out the weekends, to highlight the rows of the weekends, let's get the days of the given dates. Text is equals to text. The value we are getting from A1, comma, and format text between double quotes. I'm adding DDD, 4 Ds I'm adding, which displays the current day, which is Sunday or Monday, whatever it's the day, it will show. It's Friday. Now again the same thing, take the cursor to the corner of the cell and drag up to wherever you want. Let's put this in the center. And now here we got all the dates and the days. Now my aim is I want to highlight the weekends, Saturdays and Sundays. Highlight the weekends, Saturdays and Sundays from the given dates. So first what we'll do is we select the A1 cell. I'm selecting the date A1. Then in the home tab, notice in the styles there is a conditional formatting. So open the conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting, notice the new rule here. Click that one. Now we got some new pop-up window open, new formatting rule. From this rule types, I'm selecting the last option, which is use a formula to determine which cell to format. So I'm selecting the last option. Now here we got one small text box to enter the formula. Now the formula is to find out the weekends from the weekdays. So there is a formula called weekday. Weekday takes two parameters. The first one is a value types. The values we are getting from A1 cell. We have selected that A1, so $A1. I have selected the cell, comma. Now the return type. Here the most important step is in weekdays formula, the return type that predefined. Here the predefined weekday I am adding 2. So when I am adding 2 here, what will happen? The 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday, 4 is Thursday, 5 is Friday, 6 is Saturday, and 7th is Sunday. So I'm adding greater than 5. The condition is greater than 5. So greater than 5 is whatever the days after 5, 6, 7 are there. In the weekdays 6, 7. Which are the Saturdays and Sundays. I have selected those Saturdays and Sundays. Now I have to give the colors, font and code color. For that I am adding go to format, fill. Here I'm adding some red color, not the red, green color. Go to font, and the font color I'm adding is blue. Click OK. Blue is not showing correctly. Here I'm adding some red. Okay. So you'll get the output Saturdays and Sundays in this color. Click OK. Now after adding the formula to this A1 cell, now come to the A1 cell to the corner. Notice the plus symbol, the cursor change it to plus symbol. Now hold that plus, drag up to wherever you require. I'm dragging up to 199 cells. So notice here we got the days are highlighted, which are the Saturdays and Sundays. If you want, you can change the code and background color also. Suppose if you want to add the date which is in the Sunday or Saturdays, for example, here I am adding some date March 6th March 2022. Here I am adding, instead of July, I am adding March. So March is Sunday. So here I got highlighted, the date is highlighted. So let's undo this condition. Now if you want to highlight only weekdays instead of weekends, I want to highlight the weekdays. Again, select the table A1 because we have written the formula in A1. Go to conditional formatting. Now manage rules. We have already added a formula. So now click manage rules, edit rule. Here what I am doing, instead of greater than 5, I am adding greater than less than 5. Now we will check what will happen here. Click OK, apply. OK. Notice here what I got here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday is highlighted but not the Friday. So what I do is you need to add manage rules, edit rules. Let's add 6. Click OK, apply. OK. So whatever the days is less than 6, Monday is 1, 2 is Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday, 4 is Thursday, 5 is Friday. Those days are highlighted, not the weekends. See? So in this video tutorial I have explained 2 ways how to highlight the weekends and weekdays. Weekends and weekdays. How to highlight the weekends and weekdays in Excel sheet. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.